I so had it. I shout they should stop. Then they make it more loud. It is to hear that I'm obviously not healthy. They must hear that. They hear that. They hear that. What is murder? What is murder? Am I on my YouTube account? That in Mescalito or wherever, or in Pendita. That shows clearly what happens with me after some days of noise, yes? It's all shown extremes. What is YouTube, huh? With your community rules. Murder, you don't report, huh? Doesn't matter how many proofs there are, huh? Your YouTube's murder scum. Yes, I know why. Because the empathy system, the agent show and check the system, the agent show and violence system, and the chronotype systems. I should be tortured to death, as X times proven. And God put me that shit. That is the reason I never see them all destroyed so much. And I can't go on saying, your YouTube scum. Huh? What is this your YouTube murder scum? What is this your community rules? Huh? What shit you sure? Oh, corrupted pieces of the world. Yes, murder scum. Developer murder scum. Poisoned. Yeah, they won't make me freak out that I kill anyone. That is that what they want. Then I'm the bad guy. Certainly. That's exactly what they want. I freak out, or then I die. That's what they want. No hurry, police give a shit. Everyone gives a shit. Yeah. It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, man. If I did that bastard Austria, I had that for decades. It began 1999. Yeah, there was no YouTube. I don't know, was there YouTubes? Yeah, and no smartphones. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. But not such. Yeah. 24 years of noise, madness, terror. Doesn't matter where I'm on land. It's everywhere the same. Because to know what that does with me. I need quiet. I need urgent quiet. That I can hear myself. Yeah, the one in in the hospital where they can let them finish me off with exactly the same sperm. Not letting it use on any vaccines or whatever, infusions or whatever. Oh, oh, what a pity. The intubation was not necessary, and that is the reason why we got an additional infection and so on. I know that shit. I know that shit. I know that shit. And that son wife did absolutely all that. Always pretending to help me. Yeah, she paid here and there. It's all perfect, exactly how it is pulled off. Only that the others had a real family and not dump. They should have hated or killers come. Yes, Andreas Nowak had a real wife. Not a piece of shit, killer shit. My real wife was the Taoist girl from Shanghai, which disappeared after 2 weeks. Checking. Half a year later, she wrote me an email, not on QQ, email. Yes, she was mentally sick. Yeah. She had a family therapy now. She feels better. This is always the same lie. When people disappear. There was a friend on Facebook. She was professional video and pixelized or anything like that. And she found out that the pics and all the Jews was claimed that are Jews in the mass graves of the Nazis. That was only men, no women and no children. And she posted that on Facebook. That is many years ago, 15 years or so. And also she was suddenly disappeared. Also then, again the same story. Mental sick and she made a family therapy. Yeah. Everywhere the same. Doesn't matter where. That was in Austria. Or she was in German, I think. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter where. There are governments, they are all the same. All the same. This is the reason why it's everywhere. It doesn't matter where. It's everything. Noise attacks. Noise attacks. Noise attacks. All sabotage where I can go and see, because at sea I could build could build all that stuff. When there's not always ways. Sometimes that's very quiet, see? Yes. And then I have also the monohill, the rolling. Yeah? And then I can build stuff. That is the point. Exactly, that is the point. That is the point. Always noise, directly beside me. Doesn't matter where I am on land. It is tried also by boat. When I have a boat that cannot move, it's done. They don't stop. I should live in that state. Huh? I should live in that state. I should live in that state, huh? Another hotel? It's not. 15 Western per day. No money, no credit card. No money account, all terminated, all locked, all sabotage from the Austrian side. Huh? Eight from 9 cats killed. Pathologia for what it needs more. What it needs more. What it needs more. I had it in Austria too. I could break better genocide. Yes. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. They give a shit where you are. Yeah. Suddenly, renovation, the flat upon me. 3 weeks. Noise. It's more severe than that. In terms. Doesn't matter where. Like with my girlfriend at the time at the flat in Vienna, the same. Always the same. Always the same. Always the same. Noise terror. I know that I record how to put not hold back. To what I speak, they hear that I speak. The only thing where I can go is the boat, back to the boat. Without dinghy, that is also done now again. That state, I should help out up the dinghy. I did it. Not so in such a bad state, but I did it. And I rode even to shore to be able to go shopping. Then you come home. When I come back, the next day is how the battle is finished. Yes. And you are delayed on shore like shit. Because that you have to know that it's not long enough for the terrorists to do that shit in the boat. Such lockers. Watch on YouTube's The Lock Picking Law. Lock Picking Law. Yeah. That is truth. He made it all intentionally, so yeah, the normal breed cattle cannot intrude, but the terrorists they can. It's an easy task. The lockpicking law, he my side hurts on the right side, and I have to go. I'm serious finished. And then after, Wednesday, a week ago. Now it's Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow it's 2 weeks that I have that. Just like I hold it longer, but yes, I need quiet. I need quiet. After 2 weeks, you step at the state. What is the bottom tab? That is not the first video. Yes, that is not the first video. That is the X video what I give up when I load it up on YouTube. What is the future? What is the future? Little bit that shit rules. Murder? You can show a murder in front of the cam. You can, anyone who shoot me, I don't give a shit. Yes? Because it's me. Because it's the developer of this and that and some things. That is the reason why I don't come. Yeah. Who really can watch my videos? Really? On Facebook, are the most links shadow blocked. I guess here too. But no one can see the murder. You know? The truth. Why you have to pay for diesel gasoline. The truth about that. Why you see that why ships kill the planet more than cars. That all can be done. Because when we are not murdered, that cannot be done.